Qubic is gonna melt faces all around the world. In this video, we're gonna show you the Qubic chart. Why you wanna have Qubic? Why you wanna have Qubic? Why? We're gonna show you why. Look at this chart, man. Look at this chart. We just confirmed the breakout. This is a violent move. This is what you want. This is the coin you wanna. Well, actually, you can draw this trend line here that looks like a kinda a triangle. A triangle breakout, and you have a horizontal here, very violent breakout, and you can see it still didn't retrace. Okay, that's what we're looking for when we buy in breakout. There is no retracement on this coin. Let me show you, where is my trade? I just want to show you the trade. That's the trade I shared in the community here from 19th of July. That was 3 days ago. Buy the break of 181. Okay, look at that. That was our entry here. 181 right here. Okay, that was our entry. Pretty nice juicy gain so far. Max gain on the bag, 30% in 2 days. I'm actually looking forward for more upside. I don't think it's gonna retrace, but you never know. It looks really aggressive in my eyes. And yeah, if you look on a smaller time frame here, yeah, it might want to build something here, some kind of consolidation. That would be amazing. But again, as long as it's above the 18 or the 19th, man, or maybe even let's make it to 20, like a round number. That's mega bullish, and I'm expecting Qubic to go here, man. Really, I'm expecting Qubic to go all the way here for sure. That's what I'm expecting, man. What are your thoughts for Mr. Qubic, sir?
Man, I mean, Qubic was a coin that a lot of people kind of talked about it along the way multiple months ago. This is one of those coins that has a community. Another one of the coins, there are not many of those that really have like a real active, devouring type community. And Qubic is one of those. I think it's in the top 10s. Okay, so that's already a good sign. Look, you shared the trade signals from the membership. Okay, this was a good trade that you initiated, CM. Beautiful. It actually came from somewhat of a neglect phase for multiple months that it was building all these type. Okay, so we love trading these. ZBCN was one of these trades. This was one of these trades. We have multiple of those. And what do you say? What the thing that you said over here? How it's not retracing from the breakout after making 34% in 2 days, not really retracing much, even though some of the coins in the market are without moving this good in the gains. That's actually a very good sign for Qubic, and it can be building, as you said, a potential, let's call it pennant, for a potential continuation in the future. Now, another thing I like about Qubic now is the volume that it had on the breakout. Okay, look at this, from a vertical line. Look at the breakout, what happened over here. Okay, amazing volume. Okay, this is very much confirming volume. You haven't seen this volume almost. The last time you've seen this type of volume was here. Okay, when things were breaking up to the upside. And actually, let's see how much it moved from these volume. It made 250%, and that was in the past. Now with this market initiated this type of volume on the breakout, definitely can go to the last all-time highs. And who knows, CM, this is quite a new coin, didn't really had its own real market cycle just yet. The fluffy price action in the past, that's not really a market cycle. Maybe Qubic wants to have somewhat of a stage 2 uptrend, make 5, 7, 10x from here. We don't know. We're not going to wait until then. Of course, we're going to take profits along the way, but who knows? It can happen because it's a very small cap. I think it's page 3 coin market cap. So not that low, actually, CM. Not that low, but not high enough for people still to find it. Okay, so it's still undervalued, underfollowed. Eh?
A gem.
A gem. It is still a gem. And we love those because when people catch up, when we find a gem that is in page 2, 3, 4 in coin market cap, okay, it has a nice volume on it. Okay, not amazing, but nice volume. It has quite the market cap, but still is a gem, still underfollowed. We know that if you buy in at the first entry, like you did and we did in the membership, okay, a few days ago, then as we go higher, people all of a sudden they start noticing it. And you know what that does, especially in this market? It boom, it propels price higher. So from a probability standpoint, this can go higher, even to new all-time highs, but we're going to play it by ear, see what the price action tells us each and every single day. This is how we do it on the membership. Join our VIP, scan the QR code, come join us if you want to trade like us, and cook and smash the fucking like button. Join, follow on X, as you can see in the bottom. Follow us on X now. This is an emergency call because we give also on X everything. CM, thank you very much for Qubic. We will see you in the next time. Cheers.